Hello and welcome back to Journey on the Trail. Today, my wife and I are celebrating our 13th anniversary, celebrating it at Presque Island State Park in Erie, Pennsylvania. A beautiful state park, just a great place to visit. I had no idea it'd be so nice. We're at Beach 10. I read online the really good reviews about Beach 10. Beach 6 was nice too, but Beach 10 just felt more secluded. And as you'll see in the video, where we're at is pretty secluded, and we've got these nice trees behind me creating some nice shade. It's pretty awesome, and we just have a great view, and it feels like you got most of the beach to yourself. Even though it's still summer break and there's a lot of people out and about, it's just amazing how much we feel like we're kind of in our own little area. So anyways, I just thought I'd do a really quick video, show people what it's like at Beach 10, because man, we really enjoy it. Get a little bit of boat traffic every once in a while. As you can see though, I mean, it's pretty secluded down here. We parked to the right of the bathhouse at Beach 10 and just set up over further to the right because there's a lot less people, and we found these awesome areas with trees and good shade. And it's so amazing because it feels like I've got the woods behind me, so you hear the air like blowing through the trees, like right above me. Awesome tree branches, so it's just awesome. But then like we got the water in front of us, you can't even see land. Just feels so much like being somewhere out in the Atlantic or something, minus the salt water. But the color's very similar, and it's an awesome place to be, and perfect place for us to take a quick trip on our 13th anniversary. From what I read, they had to bring in a lot of sand to this area due to erosion, but I mean, it's pretty awesome. Now when you get down that way, like I'll show here in a little bit, a lot more gravel and stuff, but then it turns back into sand again. But a little hard on the feet at first, but it's awesome though. So there's 11 beaches total at Presque Island State Park up here in Erie, Pennsylvania. But as you start in at the park, it's Beach 1, and it kind of goes all the way down to Beach 11 as you loop around. So Beach 10 is almost the last beach. Beach 11 we heard is really nice if you bring kids with you, little kids especially, because it's shallow and there's supposed to be a playground over there and stuff. I think we're going to do a sunset boat trip. We're going to be on a boat called, I think it's called the Lady Kate. It's actually this boat coming up right up here. That's the Lady Kate there. That's actually going to be the boat that we'll be taking on our sunset trip this evening. Here's my beautiful wife. Say hi to the channel, honey.
Hey, what's up? I'm collecting rocks.
Collecting rocks for our daughter. Pretty awesome.
Yeah.
And some nice waves here too.
Yeah, very good.
There's a good look at our setup back there. Pretty awesome. And it's pretty amazing too. Like, I don't know if the video will get it too well, but you can see down to the bottom pretty well. It's awesome with all these different colored rocks. Definitely an awesome place. You can see though, way down there, it gets a lot busier. There's a lifeguard area. Then back this way, pretty empty. Oh my gosh, this weather, it cooled way down. It's like in the 70s now, like mid 70s, the wind's up, and like it's overcast. It just feels so good, and the chop is increased, so you just got these constant waves going. Oh, it is so hard to leave, but we're getting ready to head out to the Lady Kate to do our sunset cruise. I don't know how much of a sunset we're gonna see. I'm praying that's not rain I see in the distance. It sure kind of looks like it, but I don't know. We're gonna see what kind of adventure we get into. Tony, been an awesome day?
It's lovely.
Yeah. All right. Hey, there's the sun a little bit. We'll see what happens, but all right, we'll catch you all in a bit. Yep, here we are at the Lady Kate parking area. Nice big parking area. Sitting here waiting. We got here a little early.
Just a few quick things as we get underway. We are certified and inspected by the United States Coast Guard. Life jackets are in a big orange cabinet at the front of the boat. Those are the adult life jackets. Children's are, pardon me, around the right side here in a white closet. All of that, of course, is very clearly labeled for you.
What do you think, Tony?
Kids use two-load diesel locomotives that are built here in Erie onto those freighters that come in. They can then be taken as far as India and China. And this lighthouse is still in use, so depending on our timing as we come back in tonight, you will most likely
This is the Perry Monument. There's a matching one on Perry Island, which is outside of Sandusky. All right, everybody. So that concludes our adventure on Presque Isle. I've been saying island all day too, so sorry about that. But it was an awesome trip at Beach 10 and on the Lady Kate boat that we were just on. We didn't get to actually see a sunset, but it was awesome. We are getting bitten alive by mosquitoes as we speak, so we are hauling out of here. But thanks for joining Journey on the Trail. Thanks. Bye.